So students, let us start with the revision of tenses today. So what we are going to revise today are the rules of tenses. Then we will do the practice of the exercise. Okay, so let us start with the rules of tenses. So tenses, you know, what are the three type of tenses? Speak out. What are the three types?
Present tense, past tense, future tense.
Present tense, past tense, future tense.
And future tense. So present, we have four different types. First of all, we have simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. What are the rules for simple present tense? We have what use verb first form plus s and
S or ES.
with he, she, it, singular. What we use form of verb plus s or es. For example, he does not listen to. For example, he works hard. She lives in a good house. It's a beautiful thing. But when we have to change and with I, we, you, they, he is for plural. Only first form of verb. For example, I like your company. We love to visit the zoo. Okay. You, we can also, for example, you write in the notebook. They write in the notebook. Okay. So now students are joining. Let me
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम कल मैम हम सफिक्स टू मेक एडजेक्टिव्स करने वाले थे मैम.
I'm not saying. So after that, what we are having negative. What we use in negative? We use do not and does not. What we use
Does not.
does not. And when we have to form interrogative, do and does at the starting.
And at the starting.
Okay. And then sign off interrogation. So this is simple present tense. Let us revise of present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, what we use, students? What we use in present continuous tense? We use
Is MR plus
Is
ing.
Is plus ing verb form first.
plus
Verb one.
you are using.
First form of verb
Is
ing.
MR
First
form plus
plus ing.
with he, she, it, and it is
Plus first form of verb.
am with we, you, they, and plural we are using are. For example, they are doing their work, they are not listening to me. Okay, so in this manner we are.
He is playing with his friend.
Okay, right. So
We are growing the crop.
He is playing in the garden.
okay, speak the
We are
negative. With them is not, am not, and are not is. Then interrogative is a helping verb. They will be at the starting. Okay. Next, afterwards, we are having present perfect tense. What we use in present perfect tense?
has a plus
Have
third
or
form.
Has a
Verb
plus
three.
verb third.
Has have
Third form of.
third form of
Has a plus verb form of third.
with he, it, and singular we are using. But we are using
Third form
as
of
third form of verb with I, we, you, they, and plural we are using have and third form of the verb. Right? Have and third form of the verb we are using. For example,
I have done my work.
I have done my work. She has visited.
They have completed their work.
He has
they have
organized
completed
a
the
party. So in this manner,
I have completed.
there.
I have completed my work.
I have
She has danced in the party.
good. Next, afterwards, we are having present, perfect,
Continue. Present perfect continuous.
Having perfect continuous.
Has have been ing. Verb
Has a been plus ing.
Has a plus ing.
been plus
Plus
has
been.
have been ing. Verb one.
G.
since and for.
Verb one plus First form of verb.
means that which verb
With singular and plural.
such a
She
long.
has been working
He has been
working
reading for last 2 hours.
Okay.
He has been living in this house since 1986.
He has been living in this house since 1976. So it means since and for is used. So what is since used for? Since is used for point of time.
Point of time.
1976, 1986, or morning, evening, afternoon, it is given. But in case of for, duration of time is given. How duration of time?
2 hours.
He was playing in class for 2 years.
Okay, for 2
hours.
years, for few days, for many days. So in this manner, it is used. Now coming up to the past tense. Okay, so now for past tense, first of all, simple past tense. Simple past tense, what are the
Verb to.
second form of the verb? With
Second
he,
form of
she,
verb.
it, I, we, you, they, singular and plural. What we are using only second form of the verb. We are only using second form of the verb. For example,
She ate the apple.
she
ate apple.
Ate the apple.
ate an apple. Okay,
She ate an apple.
they drawn beautiful paintings. They painted beautiful paintings. Right. So in this manner. So next coming up.
Shakespeare wrote
Past
plays.
continuous. Shakespeare wrote many plays. Past continuous, what we use? We use was, were, first form of verb plus ing. Was is used with he, she, it, and singular. Okay. Next, afterwards, we are using I, we, you, they, and plural. We are using verb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I here. Okay. So I here I was writing in my notebook. I was preparing for my exams. Okay. She was answering to
They
all
were doing
questions
homework.
of the teacher. Okay. He
was playing in the park.
okay. He was
My
playing in the
mother
park.
He was playing in the park.
Okay, right. Very good.
She was playing in the park.
We were not playing in the park.
Next is past perfect.
You were playing
Past
in the
perfect.
park.
You were playing in the park. Okay. Next past perfect tense.
Had plus
plus
we
third form
had
of verb.
Had
form
the
of
third
the
form of
verb.
verb.
What
Third
we
form of
use,
the
we
verb.
only use had and third form of the verb.
verb.
So had. plus
She
what?
had eaten the mangoes.
Very good. Then
She had written her
She
work.
had completed her homework.
she had completed.
She had listened to the lecture.
Okay, she had attended the lecture. Very good. Okay, so now next afterwards, negative had not will be used, and if we are going to formulate interrogative, had will be used at the start.
Had.
Next is past perfect continuous tense. In case of
Had
past,
been.
Had been plus ing.
Had been plus ing.
Had been plus ing.
Plus first form of the verb.
ing, since and for, mostly it is given. For example, he had been
She had been working.
She
She had been working for last 2 hours.
since
For
2
last-
hours.
for last 2 hours.
Children had been playing since morning.
One by one, speak out.
She had been working for last 2 hours.
Right.
Children had been playing since morning.
Children had been playing since morning. Very good.
She
Had
had
The children had been doing their homework
since 1996.
night.
Since. Okay, right. Very good.
It
Very
had been
good. So
working
here
hard
is a
for
clap.
the last 10
Here is
years.
a clap for
He
all
was-
the students. Very good.
He
Okay, so you have done well. Okay, so this is
had been working.
For the last 10 years.
okay, right. Very good. Very good. Okay, so she had been working. So now past tense is clear
He
to you
had been working since the sun rises.
since December. Next afterwards,
Ma'am,
coming up,
Ma'am, ये आ सकता है?
which one?
He had been working since the sun rises.
Since the sunrise. Rises means since the
Excuse me,
sunrise. Since the sunrise.
Excuse me,
is
okay.
right. Okay.
Okay.
Next, afterwards, future tense. First of all, we have simple.
Will or shall plus first form of the verb.
Ma'am, will
Yes.
shall plus verb.
We
Ma'am,
use
will shall plus first form of the verb.
we mostly use shall, and with rest we use will. First
Will.
form. For example,
If you work hard, you will pass.
okay, if you work hard, you will pass. Next,
I will
India
be
and
doing my
I
homework.
will go to a meeting today.
Do my homework.
okay, next,
India and Pakistan will play a friendly match next Sunday.
very good. India and Pakistan will play a friendly match. Very good. Good ideas. Next, afterwards, we have future continuous tense. Next, in future
Will
continuous
shall
tense,
plus will
Excuse me,
shall
ma'am.
Shall plus verb
form
1 and
of
ing.
verb plus
will be,
ing.
shall be.
Ma'am, India. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम ये आ सकते हैं मैम इंडिया विल go at the tour of Australia next month.
Very good, very good. It means you people are fond of matches. Good. Next will be, shall be verb first form ing. It is used in case of future continuous tense. So let us formulate the examples of it.
I shall be having a fun on this Deepavali.
I shall be very good. I shall be having a fun on this Deepavali.
She will be
I
coming
will
to
be
my
doing
house
my
today.
homework.
I will be doing my homework in the afternoon. Okay,
I
next.
shall
She will be coming to my house today.
She will be coming to my house today. Very good. So next, afterwards, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. So all my students are very good. They have understood the tenses. Yes, future perfect tense will have,
Ma'am,
Has
shall have,
plus form of the verb.
and third form of the verb. For example, it means that by
She
that
will
time
have
the
to
verb
do
will have completed. Speak out.
I will have completed my homework.
He will have to do her homework.
My work by
He
this
will
time.
have to do his homework. He will have to do his homework.
But here have to, you are saying that he will have to do his homework. There have to is not this one. Okay, this have to is a model used here. Okay, he have to.
She will have to
cannot be
her
used.
by now.
Next,
We shall have
She-
doing our homework.
She will have eaten her breakfast.
we will have eaten our breakfast by this time tomorrow. It means that by
She
this
will
time
have
in the
taken her
future,
leave
this
by now.
work will have been completed by us or by someone, right? Next is last one is future perfect
Perfect continuous tense.
continuous
Shall
tense.
be will be plus
Now what
first
can
form
we
of the
use
verb
here?
plus ing.
Ma'am,
Shall be will be
will
plus
have
first
be
form of the
Shall
verb
be, will be,
plus
verb 1 plus
since or
ing.
for.
Verb first form plus ing and then since and for. Give examples.
He will have been waiting for us for an hour by this time.
He will have been waiting for us for an hour by this time. Okay.
She will have been baking the cake
She
since
will-
morning.
He will have been making the cake since morning.
Since
He will
morning.
have been playing since morning.
Since morning, right?
By
Okay.
next January, we shall have been living.
Fine, fine, very good. Now switch on to your book, please. Open up your book for tenses, page number 112.
In which page number, please
What
repeat.
is the page number?
112, the present tense, page number 112 for the present tense. Open up. Let us do the exercise on page number 115, 115. 115.
Kapil plays badminton every evening.
Kapil plays.
Ma'am, Kapil
badminton
plays
every-
badminton every evening.
Okay, on Friday we often dash for the
Ma'am,
Go,
Go.
go.
Ma'am,
Train
go for
dash New Delhi station at
Arrive,
9:30.
arrive.
Ma'am leaves.
मैम लीव्स भी आ सकता है, रीचेस भी आ सकता है और अराइव भी आ सकता है.
Arise भी ठीक है, both are correct. Next, babies dash beautiful when they laugh.
Look.
Ma'am look.
Look, dash the children to the
Take.
park.
Take the children to the
Take
park.
the children, call the children to the park. There dash countless stars in the
There
sky.
are.
There are countless stars in the sky.
There
There are.
dash the road only when the light
Cross.
dash green.
Cross the road
Turn.
Cross the
is
road when the light goes green. The Great Wall dash in China.
Is.
is
The sun dash in the west.
rises.
Set.
And sets. Yes, sets. Next.
Sex.
Andy always dash things scattered in the house.
Ma'am, collect things.
Clean.
Collects.
Clean.
Cleans is also right.
Okay.
Next. Dash Lima. Lima
Ma'am,
dash.
does Lima take her study seriously?
Does Lima take her studies seriously? Next.
मैम डू भी आ सकता है
Excuse
मैम
me,
डू आ
ma'am.
सकता है
Do नहीं आ सकता.
Lima,
Why?
do.
Lima is singular. With singular we are using s and es. Do is wrong.
मैम स्टार्टिंग में is आ सकता है.
मैम स्टार्टिंग में
But
डज
if we are using
लीमा
is,
के
तो
बाद
then
डू
तो हमारा continuous बन जाएगा. Is Lima फिर continuing और taking आएगा. ठीक है? That won't.
मैम
be
मैं
wrong.
कह रहा हूँ डज
But
लीमा
one minute.
डू हर स्टडी
क्या?
डज लीमा डू हर स्टडी सीरियसली मैं ये
Yes,
कह रहा हूँ
yes. Yeah, this is right. This can be. This can be. If in the exam, suppose here it is given to fill it with simple present. So we have to fill simple present. If it is not given, so then you can write down, is Lima taking her studies seriously? Then it is correct. It depends upon the question.
ओके
Next is present continuous tense, page number 117. Page number is 117. We are having 3 rooms in the house. So underline the verbs in the present continuous
Are
and they have been used correctly.
आर हैविंग
Are having. They are working hard to achieve their goal.
आर वर्किंग
working.
Is looking for a new house.
इज लुकिंग
Looking.
This dress is fitting very well.
Is fitting.
Okay. Maya is
Is
making
making.
cards and candles.
इज
Is
मेकिंग
making.
We are planning a surprise
Is
party.
आर
making.
प्लानिंग
Is
Are
making.
planning.
Okay.
आर
planning.
प्लानिंग आर
Our
प्लानिंग
parents
Ma'am,
are
six
reaching
का
after are reaching after.
Are
आर
reaching.
रीचिंग
Okay.
Are
I'm
reaching.
hearing a strange noise.
Am hearing.
आई एम रीडिंग
Am hearing.
Okay, I'm reading an exciting book these
आई एम
days.
रीडिंग
I'm reading.
आई एम रीडिंग
Am
Paper
reading.
is this paper is
इज अपेयरिंग
Is appearing.
Is appearing.
very good. Very
Mummy.
good. Next page. Underline the stative verbs and the dynamic verb. This we will do afterwards. Okay. Tomorrow I will tell you the stative and the dynamic verbs. Next is present perfect tense. Come up to 119 page. I dash a new bicycle.
आई हैव बॉट I have bought.
I have bought.
Have bought.
We dash dinner.
We
Have eaten.
We have dinner. We dash a
Have
lot of
collected.
money for a charity.
Have collected. Have
collected.
collected.
Have collected.
Have
The
collected.
holidays late this
collected.
year.
Have begun.
Have
Have
begun.
begun. Since the
Have
holidays
begun.
started, we dash no rest.
Have had.
Very good. Excellent. We have
Have
no
had.
rest.
Have had.
Have had. Very good. Good students. We are going on. It is Thanjavur.
Have
Welcome.
packed.
Have facts.
We have
Have
packed
packed.
lots of
Have packed.
candies and
Have
other
packed.
snacks for the trip.
Have packed.
Good. Next.
मैम मैम फिफ्थ का मैम हैव हैड ही आना है ना मैम जो मैंने
Have
बोला
had.
हैव हैड ही आना है ना
Have had. Okay, have had. Next afterwards, Mr. Rao
हैज बीन
traveled
Ma'am, has
abroad.
been.
He dashed to Japan. Has been.
हैज
He
बीन
has been to China, Japan in last
Right.
2 weeks.
We dash a good movie for a long time.
We haven't
have
seen.
not
हैव नॉट सीन
We have. I
We
don't
have
need
not
your-
seen.
Okay, I don't need your
हैव ऑलवेज
Have always traveled.
Have always
traveled.
traveled.
Okay. Next, Hina dash a new mobile phone.
हैव जस्ट
Have
लॉस्ट
just
Just
lost.
lost.
Next,
Has
Manya
just
dash my
Just
GPS.
lost.
हैज नॉट रिटर्न्ड
Has not returned.
Okay. She dashed of becoming a
Has
pilot.
हैज ड्रीम्ड हैज
Has
ड्रीम्ड
dreamt. Has dreamt. D-R-E-A-M-T.
हैज ड्रीम्ड हैज ड्रीम्ड
Dash you ever dash a horse?
हैव
Have you
एंड
ever
राइडन
ridden a horse?
Ride on a horse.
We have
मैम रीडन मैम इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैम रीडन होती है कि राइडन
written. Next, we dash
Okay.
such a spectacle.
We
Have never.
Have
Have
never
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 witnessed.
witnessed.
We have never witnessed.
I've never
Have never witnessed. Where dash you dash all summer.
Have begin.
Where
Have you begin.
Have you
Have you been?
Have you been? Next, use the perfect continuous tense in the following sentences. The children dash TV all evening.
Have been watching.
Have
Have
been
been
watching.
watching.
Okay, I dash for 2
Have
hours.
been reading.
Have
Have been reading.
I
I
dash
have
well.
been reading.
Okay, I dash well for several weeks now.
I have
Haven't-
not well.
I have
Haven't
not
been feeling.
feeling well. I have not been
Haven't been feeling.
feeling well.
I haven't feeling well.
Next, Tippy dash us lately.
Hasn't. Hasn't.
Has not been
Hasn't
Tippy
visit. Hasn't visit.
visiting
Hasn't.
lately.
Has not been visiting. Has not been visiting.
has not been visited.
Has not been
They dash in Kolkata since Mr. Sharma was
Have been living.
Have been living.
Have been living.
I dash books on palmistry.
Have been reading.
I
have been reading.
My computer dash trouble.
Has been.
Has
Has
been
been
giving.
giving.
Sarah dashed the piano since she was
Has been playing.
has
has
been
been playing. We dash for the show to start for 30 minutes.
Have been waiting. Have
Have
been
been
waiting.
Manish and Kiran dash badminton for
Have
have
been
been
playing.
playing.
I dash French for
We have
Have
waiting.
been.
I
Have
have
been
been learning.
learning. Have been learning.
I have been learning.
I have been learning. Next, the grass is wet dash it rain.
Has been raining. Has been raining.
Has it been
Has been
raining.
it raining.
Okay, tomorrow we will do the practice for past tense as well as future tense. Okay, so that's very good that all of you have answered very well, and that is great. Means I appreciate that you have learned all the rules of tenses. Tomorrow we will do the practice of past tense as well as future tense. Okay.